Deepfake is an AI person. When they're random, it's good. When they're impersonating people of power, that's bad. What are deepfakes? The reason they're called deepfakes is because it's difficult to tell the difference between the real person and the AI bot. Using deepfake technology, hackers can replicate the face and voice of a celebrity. So the next time you're contacted by The Rock, check out their profile and make sure they're not an AI bot. Why are deepfakes gaining popularity? Deepfakes are trending for 5 reasons. Rapid advancement of deep learning technology. Generative adversarial networks transformed a generation of fake images and videos into realistic ones. Easy access to data. The larger your digital footprint, the easier it is to impersonate you using deepfakes. Compatible with social media platforms. Deepfakes are compatible with social media platforms like Facebook, Reddit, and YouTube. Those who can't tell the difference, like most elderly people, share the content on their feeds. Means of entertainment. Initially, deepfakes' primary goal was entertainment, as they fabricated the faces and voices of celebrities. But then, someone said, "Hey, why don't we use this to steal money?" And they did. Misinformation and propaganda. Deepfake has served as an open call for spreading misinformation and propaganda. Deepfakes and cybersecurity threats. The accuracy of deepfakes allows hackers to exploit organizations, businesses, and even charitable causes in 5 ways. Identity theft. Deepfakes allow hackers to impersonate strangers or celebrities using fake images, videos, and audio. In 2020, a Hong Kong bank received a call from hackers using deepfake technology to veil their faces and stole $35 million. Another fraud happened through a Zoom video call, where the hackers constructed the hologram of the CCO of a cryptocurrency. The executives were fooled into providing confidential information to cybercriminals. Stealing charity. Cybercriminals attack charities to steal donations. One attacker used deepfake technology to copy the voice of a CEO and encouraged his employees, suppliers, and vendors to donate to a noble cause. Fooling layers of authentication. Facial recognition is no longer a problem for hackers. Deepfake technology has allowed hackers to trick the authenticator using videos and images. Phishing attacks. Cyber attackers or scammers use deepfake technology in emails, voicemails, and SMS to trick clients and employees into making huge transactions. Shallow fakes, the substitute for deepfake technology. Some cybercriminals use shallow fakes. Their quality is poor, but attackers will increase or decrease the speed of the audio, making it seem like the speaker is drugged or under the influence. Ways to recognize deepfake technology. Unverified content. If you keep receiving links from sources, ensure they are authentic. If Kylie Jenner sends you a DM, you can bet it's a deepfake. Skin tone. If you see uneven skin tones on an avatar when watching a video, you can be sure it's a deepfake. Track your online presence. If you have a large following online, keep track of the videos you post. Hackers could be using your face to scam people. Patchy skin. Watch images or videos in higher quality so you can spot skin patches to identify potential deepfakes. Details of mouth movement. Deepfakes have weird mouth movements, making them easy to spot. While we cannot stop the technological progress that has been overwhelming the digital space in the past years, you should learn to smash that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. But no, in all seriousness, you should learn to recognize deepfakes online.